Hello children. So in the last class we had completed the bar diagrams. Okay. So in this chapter, that is a presentation of bar diagram. Okay, in this chapter now little bit portion is left, that is the pie diagram. Okay, that is in diagrammatic presentation of data. Bar diagrams and pie diagrams were there. So bar diagrams I had already completed and I hope everybody understood this. Okay, now comes bachas pie diagram. Okay, so in pie diagram, that is we can say it is similar to subdivided bar diagram which you had already learned. Okay, so a circle can also be partitioned into section to show the proportions of various components. So such a diagram, it is known as pie diagram. Okay, that is the circle is divided into many parts by drawing the straight lines from the center. That is known as pie diagram. Okay, so for the pie diagram, to start with, first you need is one protractor also, or else D scale, both, anything you can say. I can show this how it is, that is protractor, this one is protractor, you can see it. Okay, D scale or D scale, and I don't know whatever other name is there or not, but when we used to study, we used to say this as protractor. Okay, now D scale also, because it is in the form of shape of D. Okay, so first you need is one protractor. Okay, and then some steps you have to follow it. Okay, so the steps which you have to follow it, that you can see the first point, that is absolute value to be converted into percentage value. That is absolute value will be given in the question. Okay, that value you have to convert it into percentage. Okay, then the second point you can see percentage value to be converted into degree. So remember in pie diagram कितना डिग्री है कोई भी वैल्यू का, दैट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. Okay, because degree is the main, we can say in pie diagram we have to give importance to degree. If you find the degree, you can draw the pie diagram. Then the third step, that is plotting with the help of protractor or D scale. That is after finding out the degree, you will plot it in the pie diagram. Okay, so now we can do this with the help of an example. So here example you can see, it is given data of refrigerator sold. I hope you can see bachas, data of refrigerator sold. Okay, so here refrigerators company's name, it is given Samsung, Akai, Onida and Sony. Okay, and the items sold, it is given Samsung 480, Akai 360, Onida 240 and Sony 170. So the total that is refrigerators sold, it is 1200. Now you have to draw the pie diagram. Okay, so for this what we will do, we will follow the steps which we had discussed now. So the first step is that absolute value is given in the question, I said. So this will be the absolute value, 480, 360, 240 and all. Okay, now we have to convert this into percentage. Now how to find the percentage? Okay, so the first step now finished. Okay, now second we have to find out the percentage. Now for finding out the percentage, what we will do is, see, the total is 1200. Okay, so here we will find out the percentage. Yeah, so for 480, what we will do to find out the percentage, 480 divided by this 1200 total. Okay, 480 divided by 1200 into 100. Okay, so you can use your calculators and you can find out. So you will be getting, it is 40%. Okay, then here for 360 divided by 1200 into 100, you will be getting 30%. Then the same way 240 divided by 1200 into 100, you will be getting 20%, and here 170 by 1200 into 100, you will be getting 10%. Okay, so percentage you all know that it will not exceed 100. So this total, it will be become 100%. So you got the percentage. Now the next step is to convert this percentage into degrees. Okay, so degree, as you all studied, that degree will not exceed 360. Yes, that is maximum. Degree moves maximum up to 360 degree. Okay, now this 40% you have to convert it into degree, and that is 360 degree it is given. Now how you will change this into degree? for this also same way, that is this 40% means 40 by 100, 40 by 100 and into maximum degree is 360 degree. So you will be getting 144 degree. You can use your calculators. Okay. Then next is 30% given. So 30 by 100 into 360, you will be getting 108 degree.